Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses, quantitative aptitude video on profit and loss. In this video, we are going to cover the basics and introductory concepts of profit and loss. Here we start. Profit and loss. We go to few definitions. Cost price, usually denoted by CP. Cost price is the price at which any article is purchased. The second term is selling price, usually denoted by SP. Selling price is the price at which any article is sold. The third term is profit or gain. When selling price is more than cost price, then profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, and profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The fourth term is loss. When selling price is less than cost price, then loss equal to cost price minus selling price, and loss percent equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Here I explain few things. If say cost price is 100, if you purchase anything in 100 units of currency, either it is US dollars, euros, Indian rupee, then that is your cost price. If you sell for more than 100 rupee, then your selling price is more than cost price. In that case, you say that you have a profit or you have a gain. Similarly, when you sell at a lower amount than your cost price, then we say that there is a loss. And profit or loss in percent term is always calculated in relation to the cost price. Therefore, profit and loss are in numerator divided by the cost price, which is in denominator, and after calculating this we multiply it by 100 for percent to calculate profit or loss percent. We go to next formula. Cost price when there is profit. Cost price or CP equal to 100 multiplied by SP or selling price divided by 100 plus profit percent. And next formula is cost price when there is loss. Cost price equal to 100 multiplied by selling price or SP divided by 100 minus loss percent. Here I explain you. Say if you have selling price of 150, then you have to put 150 in place of selling price, and if your profit percent is 10, then in denominator 100 plus profit percent, in place of profit percent you have to put 10. Similarly, if there is a loss, then in denominator in the next formula you have to put 10 in place of loss percent. The next formula is selling price when there is profit. Selling price or SP equal to 100 plus profit percent, whole is multiplied by cost price divided by 100, and selling price when there is a loss, then SP or selling price is equal to within bracket 100 minus loss percent multiplied by cost price or CP divided by 100. To understand this formula, we are going to solve few very easy and basic questions on profit and loss in this video. Let's go to the questions. We go to the questions. Our question is, an article is bought for rupees 150 and sold for rupees 174. What is profit percent? These are the basic questions we are going to solve to understand the concept of profit, cost price, selling price, loss, profit percent and loss percent. We are going to solve this question from basics. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Here SP is 174 and CP is 150. So 174 minus 150 is equal to 24. Now, as per the formula explained, profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. Here we put the values. Profit is 24, CP or cost price is 150, and we multiply it by 100. 150 is cancelled by 50 for 3 times and 100 for 2 times. And 3 cancels 24 for 8 times. Therefore, profit percent equal to 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16%. And from the given options, answer is option B. I solved this question from very scratch, explaining what profit is, what SP is, what CP is, how much profit gained, and what is profit percent. We go to the next question. Our question is, an article is purchased for rupees 128 and sold for rupees 112. Find loss percent. We solve the question. Here CP is 128 and SP is 112. As SP is less than CP, it means that there is a loss. Now we have to calculate the loss percent. 128 minus 112 equal to 16. So the loss is 16 and CP is 128. So this is 16 divided by 128 multiplied by 100. This is our formula for loss. 16 divides 128 for 8 times and 4 divides 8 for 2 times and 100 for 25 times. So this is 25 divided by 2 is 12.5%. Thus the loss percent is 12.5%, and as per the option, the answer is option A. These are very simple questions which I am solving to clear the concept of profit, loss, profit percent and loss percent. We go to the next question. The question is, an article is sold for rupees 360 at a profit of 20%. Find cost price of the article. We solve the question like this. As the formula for finding the cost price is CP equal to 100 multiplied by SP divided by 100 plus profit percent. We just put the values. 100 multiplied by 360, which is SP, and 100 plus profit percent, and profit percent is given to us is 20%, so we write 20. So this is equal to 100 multiplied by 360 divided by 120. 120 cancels 360 for 3 times. So 100 multiplied by 3 is 300. Thus the cost price is 300. And from the options, option D is our answer. These are very simple questions. I am covering these questions just to explain how to use the basic formula of finding CP or cost price when SP and profit percent is given. We go to the next question, and the question is, an article is sold for rupees 340 at a loss of 15%. Find cost price of the article. We solve the question by using the formula. The formula is CP equal to 100 multiplied by SP divided by 100 minus loss percent, and we put the value. The value of SP is 340 and loss percent is 15. After putting the value, we get 100 multiplied by 340 divided by 100 minus 15. This is equal to 100 multiplied by 340 divided by 85. and 85 divides 340 for 4 times. 100 multiplied by 4 is 400. And from the given options, our answer is option B. This way we can solve the question of finding cost price when selling price and loss percent is given to us. This was very easy question and I have solved it just to explain how to find CP using the formula if SP and loss percent is given. Our question is, Arun buys an article for rupees 500 and sells it at a profit of 18%. Find its selling price. We solve the question using the formula for finding SP. Selling price or SP equal to 100 plus profit percent multiplied by cost price CP divided by 100. We put the values. 100 plus profit percent given to us is 18%. So we write 18 multiplied by CP and cost price given to us is 500 divided by 100. 100 cancels 500 for 5 times. 100 plus 18 is 118 multiplied by 5 is 590. So our answer for SP is SP equal to 590. And from the options given to us, the answer is option A. This was very easy question. I have solved it just to explain how to use the formula of finding SP when CP or cost price and profit percent is given to us. We can orally solve such type of questions as the profit percent is 18% and the CP is 500. 18 multiplied by 5 is 90. So on 500 the profit is 90. 500 plus 90 is 590, that is your selling price. This way we can solve this question orally. We go to the next question. Our question is, Alex purchases a football for rupees 400 and sells it at a loss of 13%. Find its selling price. We solve this question using the formula. The formula is SP equal to 100 minus loss percent multiplied by CP divided by 100. We put the values. We have been given the CP equal to 400 and loss percent is 13%. So we put the values 100 minus 13 multiplied by 400 divided by 100. And 100 divides 400 for 4 times. And 100 minus 13 is 87. 87 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 348. Thus our selling price is rupees 348, and from the given options, option B is our answer. I have solved this question just to explain how to use this formula of finding SP when cost price and loss percent is given to us. We can solve this question orally. Loss percent is 13% and cost price is 400. 30% of 400 is 13 times 4 is 52, and on subtracting 52 from 400 we get 348. This way we can solve this question orally. We have solved 6 questions in this video of introduction to profit and loss and using the basic formula of finding profit percent, loss percent, cost price when selling price and profit percent is given, cost price when selling price and loss percent is given, finding selling price when cost price and profit percent is given, and selling price when cost price and loss percent is given. This way we have used the formula and solved the 6 questions. To understand these formulas, these questions were very simple, but included in this video just to explain the use of formula. You can solve these questions orally. Here completes this video. Please watch all the videos on profit and loss to learn various other formula as well as short tricks to find the solution to easy and difficult questions. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.